Assalamu alaikum, my name is Shan Nadeem. I'm a high school student over here and also a freelance writer. Currently, I'm preparing to go to America, and I took my Ielts from Headway Institute under the supervision of Sir Fareed, and I got my desired bands for the university. I scored a 7 overall. Everyone is friendly and cooperative. The rest of the staff, the management, even the people who are taking care of the place, all of them are cooperative and friendly. I found Sir Fareed to have his own set of standards when it came to being a professional and a friend at the same time. That the way he juggled between those two lines, it was something extraordinary. Because he was a teacher, a big brother, and a friend at the same time. After I got my results, I recommended all my friends that they should come to Headway only because Sir Fareed is over there. I prepared to take my Ielts from Headway under the supervision of Sir Fareed. I just got done with my Ielts, and now I'm all set to go to America for my studies. After the completion of my studies, I'll come back and serve my own country.